Did you know that the average employee, from top to bottom, wastes 22% of their day just searching for information? That's more than a full day lost every week per person. Imagine how much more each employee could contribute to your bottom line. Legacy solutions, such as spreadsheets and reports, are cumbersome, scattered, and rigid. GenAI is the obvious modern solution, but public AI tools, such as ChatGPT, Claude, DeepSeek, and others, don't understand your specific business data. And if you feed your sensitive information into them, your data security is completely at risk. But what if there was a better way? Meet OmniChat, a secure GenAI-powered assistant trained on your own data, giving you instant, business-specific answers with zero data leakage. Think of OmniChat as your AI personal data assistant for every level of the organization. Using natural language processing, NLP, OmniChat enables users to ask ad hoc queries and generate actionable visualizations. You can then save these insights to live dashboards for sustainable and repeatable business insights, no coding or technical expertise required. And the best part? Most business impacts can be seen in less than a week, be they related to your IT or OT systems. OmniChat lets you stay on top of your key metrics across oil and gas, manufacturing, finance, retail, and any other industry. OmniChat gives you instant answers to your critical questions, like what was the production rate on so-and-so date, and what caused the drop? Why has throughput at a particular terminal decreased? What was the total amount collected on a specific day, and what's the reason it's lower than before? Given the last week, what's likely to be my production rate in the next 7 days? You can also forecast future production, apply regression trends, or plug in your own models to analyze and explore insights instantly. Here's what makes OmniChat so powerful. It combines a natural language interface, unified access to enterprise data and documents, and ad hoc analysis, all while remaining private by design. Behind the scenes, it connects seamlessly to your existing systems. OmniChat comes with an extensive suite of integration connectors, including ERP systems, databases, CRM platforms, and operational systems. In addition, it integrates seamlessly with any of your document repositories. With support for 500+ connectors, OmniChat brings data from across the enterprise together into a single, clean, and actionable view. Beyond the 500+ vendor-specific connectors, OmniChat supports MCP servers for a safer and richer integration. Regardless of your type of business, OmniChat will deliver measurable benefits right away. It has already yielded big outcomes in multiple market segments, including public sector infrastructure, oil and gas, manufacturing, textile, and more. One OmniChat customer optimized their energy consumption across multiple manufacturing processes. Another customer identified and resolved their sensor anomalies across pumping stations and then optimized the associated work orders. OmniChat users spend 90% less time searching for data. That's nearly an entire workday saved every week. Insights that previously required multiple dashboards, exports, or expert intervention were now available in seconds. Industry-wise implementation of OmniChat will provide 3 to 10 times investment returns, 15 to 30% savings in operational costs, over 10 to 25% revenue generation, over 30 to 40% accuracy, 20 to 30% faster innovation cycles. Now, let's talk about trust and security. Here's how OmniChat keeps your data completely secure while delivering actionable insights. Everything starts with you, the customer. You provide a prompt, and OmniChat uses its LLM, NLP, and ad hoc analysis capabilities to perform data analysis on your private data in a completely secure environment. It processes the information, generates text, graphics, and outcomes, and sends only the resulting insights back to you, enabling actions and measurable business outcomes. Data is not stored, not duplicated, and never used to train public models. Access is fully role-based, ensuring users only see what they're authorized to see. Implementing OmniChat GenAI is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Connect, enable, adopt. OmniChat is a self-service product, but our experts are available to help optimize your implementation and ensure you achieve the fastest possible time to value. We are also available for guided post-launch support to help drive adoption and maximize value. Don't delay. Stay in front of the AI revolution. Keep your data secure. Don't miss out on immediate benefits. If not now, then when? OmniChat is ready to be your GenAI-powered digital companion. Secure, self-service, or fully implemented by our experts for you. Hypercare support, huge ROI. Book your demo today.